Hi guys, today we are going to be unboxing So Slime DIY, as you can see here. So let's unbox it. Okay. Okay, we got a purple jar. I bet Dad would love that. Got a yellow jar. And we got a pink jar.
Okay, so this is the instructions.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll read them in a minute.
Yes. Now let's get all the things out. Oh, we got some powder in here. We got peach, green, and pink, and yellow.
Okay, I'll put it there.
And then there's some sparkles. Then there's this, and then there's some surprise, and then there's some surprises.
So what's in here?
There is. It looks like there's some stickers.
Oh. That must be for these. Put around the sides.
Yeah. So you can put So Slime DIY on them. That's why there's 3 of these.
Okay, let's read the instructions and we'll see you in a bit. Say bye.
Bye.
Okay, so what we've got to do is we've got to choose one of these each. So which one do you want? Yellow?
I want the yellow.
Okay.
But I put away the pink one because I don't really like pink.
Add some glitter or confetti. We got to open this.
Yeah, I can open it. I'll open it. Guys, I'll open it.
Well, she's opening that. If you're wondering what's in the background, we done it on our previous video, a spinning wheel challenge. So make sure you check that one out. And also make sure you subscribe, like, and hit the notification button.
Okay, so in my one, I'm gonna have the seahorse in mine, and I'm gonna have the hearts.
Okay, so you're having them ones?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have these ones.
Why?
Some pink sprinkles.
I'm gonna have the heart ones because Valentine's Day was like. I can't open it. Daddy.
If you can't open it, make sure you ask an adult.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've put our glitter in, and now we've got to put our slime in. What colour slime do you want?
I want hard to choose this or this. I'm gonna choose this.
That one?
Yeah, because this is the colour of the seahorse, and look, I have a little seahorse in there.
Oh. Okay, now you pour it in here.
It looks kind of green inside of my cup. Oh, I spilled some.
It's alright.
Yeah, it's alright if you spill some.
Okay, now fill the water up until the line.
Yeah.
There we go. And mine. And then you got to mix it with this.
Oh, I really want to cut this. Don't make it so mix.
If you want that, then I'll quickly pour it in.
Quickly pour it in.
Okay, mix it. Okay, now I've got to mix mine. Okay, now put your lid back on. And then...
Oopsies. It's all over me. Now it's a mess, guys.
Okay, so Holly's exploded, we've fixed it, so make sure when you play, make sure you secure the lid, okay?
Yeah, I secured the lid, it clicked.
Okay, let's shake.
Dad, it's gonna fall. I can't do it.
You're fine.
Dad, can you shake it for me?
Okay, now we've got to leave that for 5 minutes.
Yeah. all of us lions have like sit here for like over 5 minutes, so let's check it out. I'm gonna scrape mine out.
It's like bogies.
Yeah, I know. Okay, let me pull my sleeves up.
Good job I got my glasses on. Poke my eye out. Ah!
Yeah.
Oh. Oh.
That's why I really like him here. Dad, it's all sticking to me. Dad, I think we should have put in less water.
You reckon?
Yeah, because that's what Cookie Saucy did.
Oh.
Put in less water.
Look at that there. Ooh. You do that. Yeah. Look at that.
Don't get off my hands. Ooh, so the blue stayed alive. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. We've had loads of messy fun. And
Make sure you like, subscribe.
and hit the notification button.
Yeah. And then check out all our other videos. Spinning Wheel Challenge. We've got a vlog out and we've got Fortnite and Hello Neighbour. So check us out soon, okay? Peace!